Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL Tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain about one more type of join in SQL, that is nothing but a outer joins. Here in the outer joins, we have a lot of joins again, that is nothing but a left outer join, right outer joins, as well as full outer joins. In this video, particularly, I am discussing on full left outer join, and in the coming lectures, I am going to explain about what is right outer join, as well as how to do the full outer join and all. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here I want to briefly explain. If you followed the inner join video, then it is already explained for you. So if you don't follow the previous inner join lecture, then I just briefly explain what I did previously. So here what I did was I created the two tables here, naming table as well as salaries table. So in the naming table we have SID as integer and first name as varchar. Suppose let us assume that the first this naming table is nothing but a employee table in a company, and the salaries table is nothing but a salaries table in a company with respect to the naming table. So suppose do if you want to retrieve the salaries of a particular employee who is present in the both the tables like naming as well as salaries, then you can do inner join. But what left outer join will do is it will retrieve all the table present in the first table, like whatever the table that you specify in the table 1, it will retrieve all the data present in the first table, and whatever the records that are matching in the second table, it will print those records, and for the unmatched record it will print the null values instead of any particular data, and it won't print the records which are not present in the table 1. So I am going to illustrate you in this example. So if you observe that here I inserted a data in the naming table with IDs as 134, and I am just retrieving it, select star from naming, and similarly I entered the three rows of data in salaries as well. If you observe here, 2 3 4 are the data values here. So if you do the left order join by having a naming as the first table and salaries as a second table, what we will get is we will get the every rows present in the first table, let is naming table, and we only get the matching records here. What are the matching records from the naming and salaries? The matching records are 3 and 4. So only for the 3 and 4 we will get the data, and for the first row we get the data from the naming table but not from the salaries table. So let us do the query and then you will get a better understanding of it. So for that what I am doing is select star from what we want. The first table is naming here, select star from naming. The command here is left outer join, and then salaries, the second table you need to specify here, and again just like inner join you can specify on and whatever the condition that you want to do. Here the condition that I want is salaries.sid is equal to naming.sid. It is already predefined. I am just so I'm putting a semicolon and running it. So if you run this, so observe the values here. So here these are the tables like data contents from the naming table, and these are the contents present in the second table, that means salaries table. So if you observe that all the records present in the first column are we retrieved here, like 3 Mahesh and 4 Rakesh. So for whatever the matching records that we have in the second table, we get the data from that. So we have a 3 and 4 as a matching record in the second table, and for the gun for the id as 1, we don't have a matched record in the second table. That's why we got a null in the place of that particular second table values. So this is how left outer join will work. Suppose if you replace the values, if you replace the tables and giving the salaries as a first table and naming as a second table, so if you do that, you will get 2 3 4 as in the first table and only 3 4 in this second table. It won't print the first table here. So I'm running it. So if you observe this, 3 and 4 are the common here, but in the second table we have only the row having a SID of 2, but not in the first table, because we don't have a row number 2, ID number 2 in the say first table, that means naming table. Yeah, this is how you can do the left order join if you want to print the contents from complete contents from one table and only want to match with the only want to check for the matching records present in another table, then you can use the left order join. Just like that we have the right order join. That is what I am going to explain in the next video. So that's all for this video about the inner join, guys. Thank you for watching.